How to verify your Discord account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can verify your Discord account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first thing you'll need to do is open up your Discord. Now make sure that your Discord is updated to its latest version. And after you open up your Discord, simply tap on the bottom right corner that says You. Now after you're there, simply tap on the gear icon on the top right corner. And after you tap on the gear icon, you'll get redirected to your account settings. Now, right there, you should find your account option. Now, whenever you simply tap on account, you should get a pop-up saying verify your email address. Now, if you have already verified your email address, you won't be getting it, such as me right here. I have already verified my account, so I will not be getting the verify your email option. So what you need to do is simply tap on verify or send verification email. Simply tap on whichever option is available for you and you should be getting a mail with a code. Now if you get the mail associated to your account, and simply head over there and copy the code, paste it in here, and after you do that, your account will get verified, and it's that simple. So yeah, that is basically all for the video guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.